Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'd like to share with you how I created my sign for my coffee bar. Originally, I was just going to keep it up at St. Patrick's Day time, but it's cute enough to keep all year long. I used one of these signs that I had left over from a previous project. You can make the sign any size you like, though. I used Jenga blocks. Originally, I picked out all the dark ones, but later on I had to paint it, so it doesn't matter if you mix your colors. Next, I used this metal ruler thing from DollarTree to create my right angles, and then started to build my frame to fit around the sign. Of course, as luck would have it, I had a little gap that I didn't have, that the block was too big for, so I got my extremely sharp TV knife from 40 years ago, and I did cut my block off. And I used some Dollar Tree wood filler to fill in the gap, mainly in the small piece, and then all along the other pieces as well. Then on a 12 by 12 inch piece of paper, I created a printable because the inside diameter is actually going to be 12 inches wide, luckily. And then I found an image online of a cup of Irish coffee. I cut it out with my Cricut along with some cardboard pieces, but you can hand cut these as well. And then I had it all done, and I had it all together, and I realized when I copy and pasted my Salante, I dropped the E. I was so sad. But then I just printed out another one spelled right, and I popped it up on some dimensionals, and only my followers will know that there was a mistake under there in the first place. And that's my sign. I hope you enjoyed my project. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and as always, if you aren't a subscriber, please consider doing so. I'll be back again soon with another project. Thanks for watching. Take care.